Hello, today I would like to introduce you to the DPS digital phase converter. The DPS can run a three-phase 220 volt motor from a single phase 220 volts power. It is easy to install and use, small, lightweight, resistant to dust, moisture, and heat. It can continue to supply three-phase power even after the motor starts. Additionally, it is UL and CE certified for safety. It is important to note that you must use a model that matches your motor's specifications, and one DPS should be used for one motor only. When connecting a magnetic contactor, ensure that the forward reverse control wires are connected to the U and W outputs of the DPS. However, due to benefits, many customers around the world have successfully connected the DPS to their motors and are enjoying its advantages. You can purchase DPS on Amazon and eBay. If you're interested in becoming a DPS distributor, please contact us at any time. Thank you for watching.